Good morning, Caroline.
Good morning, Martin.
Okay, can you tell us about your business?
My business is Stanford Marketing. We've been in Bendigo we established 5 years ago, so it's quite a new business. I've been in marketing for 30 years. That's my whole career. That's all really I've ever done, marketing and promotions.
Okay.
And so that's me. So my business is a boutique marketing agency. We're an integrated agency, so we do everything from market research through to strategy, through to implementing that strategy for our clients, whether that's through graphic design, branding, advertising, brochures, all the rest of it. So we do all those sorts of things for our clients.
Okay, and how many people you employ in your business?
We have 3 full-time, including myself, and 2 part-time. So very small and boutique.
Okay.
And our clients are mainly business-to-business clients. So we deal with professional services, corporate, government, manufacturing, those type of people that companies that sell from business to business.
Okay, talking about marketing plan, I know some small businesses, they don't have marketing plan. Now, I just want to see your view. What do you think are the most important thing in developing a marketing plan?
I think number one, to have one, whether it's in your head or whether it's on a piece of paper. Sometimes there's very small business owners, sometimes they don't have their marketing plan on a piece of paper, but they've got to have an idea of where they're going, because if they don't know where they're going,
they'll end up somewhere.
Exactly, they'll end up somewhere where they didn't expect to be. which is unfortunately for a lot of small businesses, it's down the drain. If they don't have an idea of their marketing and where they're going, who they're selling to, and where they want to be, that really, where do they want their business to be?
Okay, well, talking about marketing plan, how do you think that relates to marketing strategy?
I think the thing with the strategy, it's really getting down into those tin tacks. It's sort of like, with your plan, you sort of worked out where you want to go and where you want to be. But the strategy is about what is the strategy of when I get there, how to get there. So the 4 Ps or the 7 Ps that we learn about, it's really, enacting those. You really have to know your customer, and really, I think everything starts with the customer or your target audience. And I like to call them target audiences. They're people. Everything starts with people in mind. So if you really know the people that you want to sell to, then it's easier to know how to sell to them in terms of your marketing. But it's not just selling, is it? It annoys me when people talk about, they confuse marketing with selling. Marketing, as we know, is the whole gamut. It's the price, the place, promotion, all those Ps. And selling is advertising or it's promotions. It's part of marketing, but it's not the whole story. So it's part of that promotions area of marketing. So I think you really have to take all those Ps into account and make sure, fundamentally, that you know your customers and that your product is good.
Okay. Well, having a marketing plan and marketing strategy, my last question is, what are the challenges in implementing this plan? And especially in your business?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of challenges, especially for small business owners. So much time for small business owners, they have to do everything in the business. So a lot of time they're just focused on productivity. They're wanting to do things. But what you have to do is make sure that, when you're starting with your marketing strategy, that you've got some measurement built into that strategy. So you've got your KPIs or your evaluation points or whatever it happens to be. So what are those evaluation points? It will be different for many businesses, but is it increased sales, increased profits, number of customers through the door, the amount each customer is buying, is it the amount of profitability from each customer, the retention of customers? There's lots and lots of different measurements that you should build into your strategy, so that and measure them consistently, so where how you're tracking, and you can tweak and adjust as you go.
Okay, that's good. So in other words, a plan is a plan, but you have to also modify if you need to.
Absolutely. If you look at a process chart of any sort of plan, if there's anyone with any engineering capacities out there, or they think in that visual sort of format, there's always a loop that goes around to evaluate, and it goes back into the process. So the process always includes that evaluation and feeds back into the process. So don't just set and forget. Always evaluate.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome, Martin.
And I'll see you again next time.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.